been doing nothing to keep me busy all day. Uncle Woody! Uncle Woody, wake up! Uncle Woody, can we take a boat ride? Can we? Can we? Please! It's right over there! Captain Buzz's all-day boat tours. Real cheap. You bet you can. What's the deal on the tub, Bub?
Well, chum, for a small fee of, shall we say, $50, I'll take these two on a cruise they'll never forget.
$50?
And, did I mention I'd be taking the kids off your hands for the whole day?
A whole day, huh? It's a steal. I mean a deal. Thanks, Uncle Woody. See ya. Bye. Rest and relaxation. Here I come.
And little woodpeckers, there yous go. So long, suckers.
Wait for us, Captain Buzz. Hey, wait up. All right. Whoa, grab the sail, Nuthead. Whoa, look out. Go left. Now right. Steer right.
All right, that does it. I'm the captain of this here boat.
Aye, aye, Captain. What's our first order, sir?
I'm feeling chilly. Get me my coat. Hey, maybe this ain't gonna be so bad after all. Now swab the deck.
There's no mop, Captain Buzz.
A good sailor learns how to make do. Now mop! This is a life. Oh, cabin kids, I'd like my sushi now.
I hate being the bait.
Being the bait's better than being the sushi.
This cruise stinks. It could be worse. How? We could be caught in a horrible storm. Is he okay? Yeah, just let him sleep. So what do we do now? I know. Let's build a two-man shelter to protect us from wild animals. Yeah, just like we learned in Woodpecker Scouts. What about him? I say he's on his own. Yeah.
What's that? Oh, where am I? Mommy!
Who is it?
It's Captain Buzz. Toss me down a line, sailors.
We'd love to help you, Captain Buzz. But this house only holds two. Sleep tight. Don't let the mountain lions bite.
Mountain lions. Oh, oh, this is good. Hi-ho, kids. What's on the menu for breakfast?
You gotta fish for your own food, Captain Buzz.
Let me use one for bait, then?
Can't be wasting precious food for bait. Gotta use yourself for bait.
What? Forget about it. I'll get my food somewhere else. I can just... All right. I'll be the bait. clams marinara, please.
Buzz, cut something! Nope, something caught Buzz. Hey, look! We're saved! Hooray! We're saved! Uncle Woody! Uncle Woody! Whoa! We knew you'd find us! What happened to Captain Buzz? Captain Creep, you mean? He didn't look out for you? We did just fine without his kind of help.
Over here! Wait for me! Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Get me out of here! Hurry! Get this tub moving, you two! You heard Captain Buzz, now move!
Sure, Captain Buzz. We'll get the boat moving. Under one condition.
And what's that?
That you swab the deck.
Oh, no. No, no, no. No! Back! Back off! I'm allergic to being a seafood food! Oh, no, please! Leave me alone, will you?
Yes, sir. Waiting all year for this. The World Championship West Lapland Dog and Crayfish Show. Now, let's see if I've got everything. Chips, soda, water, fruit smoothie, ice mango surprise, peanut butter crackers, T-bone steak, microwavable cheesy wheeze, fan, heater, room deodor, pillow, blanket, beak warmer. Perfect. Everything I need for complete comfort. Huh? Ow! It's just a feather.
Welcome to the 357th Annual West Lapland Dog and Crayfish Show.
Talk about perfect timing. Where'd you go? All right, that's it, Buster. Now I got you. No, try to outsmart me, huh? Hey, no feather's gonna make a... Say, what are these doing in here? This is the last straw. Just you wait. Yeah, I'll find you and boy when I do. Honestly, Woody, that's the last time I come over for Christmas dinner.
next, Snowball from Zaslav.
Woohoo! That's my girl. Go, Snowball, go! Wait a minute. Feathers are from birds. That's it. Boy, oh boy. Winter's sure coming early this year. Woo. Me and my feathers are heading south before it gets any colder. Gotcha.
And next up, Molly from Maccabee. My television. And the crowd goes wild as Molly from Maccabee wins the show. Hush now as she makes her way to the winner's box.
Just in time to see Molly take home the gold. Too hard. Now this is living.
Here's the weather report. The bad news, it's 120 degrees in the noonday sun. Oucha mundo.
Ow, ow, ooh, ooh, ow, ow, ooh, ee, ow, ooh, ow, ow.
But the good news, it's only 110 in the shade. So try to stay cool any way you can, baby.
It is hot out here. Or is that just me in these tight trunks?
Shade.
It's mine.
Oh, no, it's mine. Shade. It's my shade.
I got here first.
I saw it before you.
Fine. You have this shade. I'm going into the pool, you bet.
Hey!
Public welcome. That means me.
Sorry, you can't come in here.
What do you mean? The sign says public welcome.
Not today. Pool's closed for synchronized swimming practice.
Well, what do you know, Coach? We're synchronized swimmers.
Yeah, we're twin sons of different mothers, you bet. We do everything alike, yeah.
I don't think so.
Yow!
Say, that's not bad.
Please, pretty please, with meatballs on top.
With
With meatball pizza on top.
Well, I could use one more swimmer on the team. Only one of you will make it and get to stay in the water, while the other one will be out on his backside in the baking hut street. Got it? Good. Go! Team trunks, towels, swim caps. Suit up, ladies. Now, let's move it and sink.
Say, Wally, help you with your cap?
Yeah, sure. Real funny, Woodpecker.
Hey, newbies! Remember what I said. One of you'll make the team, the other one will be out on your ear. And if I catch either of you pulling any more shenanigans, you're both out! That's our cue, girls! Walruses and woodpeckers, too!
How'd you like my big finish?
It was my finish.
No, mine.
Get out!
Who needs her?
Yeah, who needs the pool? There's no water there anyhow. You know, Woodpecker, together I think we're two cool cucumbers.